September 2016. My family spent the Labor Day weekend staying at the lodge of Degray Lake State Park. The weather was beautiful and the night skies were as clear as I've seen all year. Unlike August, September has been hot and dry. I was able to spend some time one afternoon driving around the delta photographing the crops and harvest activity. The early morning light on this recently cut hayfield caught my eye on the way to work. I had to make a quick stop for a photo. The August rains have given us some beautiful wildflowers this year. This scene is from a wildfire area which burned earlier this spring. The fire scorched hundreds of acres, destroying many young pine trees such as this. The beauty in the aftermath of the destruction is awe-inspiring. It reminds me that if you look for it, if you focus on the beauty instead of the disaster, the positive is always present. To wrap this up, September ended with a series of beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Here's a time lapse of one I was fortunate enough to watch before going to work one morning.